Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English Podcast Pro. My name is Sarah, and I am so happy you are here to learn English with me today. Today, we have a very important topic. It is a topic that is special to everyone. We are going to talk about family. My family, your family. We will learn many words to talk about our families. This is a great topic for practice. The words are very useful for everyday conversation. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's learn some new words. I will say each word slowly. Then, I will use it in a sentence. Please listen carefully. Our first word is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. My mother is a wonderful woman. I love my mother. Our next word is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. My father is strong and kind. I love my father. Together, your mother and your father are your parents. Parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. My parents live in a small house. I love my parents very much. Now let's talk about siblings. Our next word is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. A brother is a boy or a man who has the same parents as you. I have one brother. His name is Mark. And we have sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. A sister is a girl or a woman who has the same parents as you. I also have one sister. Her name is Emily. Let's learn about the parents of your parents. They are your grandparents. Grandparents. G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Grandparents. My grandparents are very old and very wise. I like to visit my grandparents. Now for more family members. We have uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Your uncle is the brother of your mother or your father. My uncle is my father's brother. His name is David. And we have aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Your aunt is the sister of your mother or your father. My aunt is my mother's sister. Her name is Laura. Your uncle and aunt might have children. Their children are your cousins. Cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. I have 3 cousins. We like to play together. The word for young people in a family is children. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. My uncle and aunt have 2 children. Now let's learn words for married people. Husband. H-U-S-B-A-N-D. Husband. A husband is a married man. My Uncle David is my aunt's husband. Wife. W-I-F-E. Wife. A wife is a married woman. My Aunt Laura is my uncle's wife. Great. Now we have some words to describe people. Describe. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. Describe. To describe means to say what someone or something is like. Can you describe your best friend? Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Kind means being friendly and good to other people. My mother is very kind. She always helps people. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny means something makes you laugh. My father is very funny. He tells great jokes. Tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Tall is used to describe height. It means someone is high from the bottom to the top. My brother is tall. He plays basketball. Short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Short is the opposite of tall. My sister is short. And the most important word, love, L-O-V-E. Love is a very strong feeling of care for someone. I love my family. We also have some words about spending time with family. Together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. It means with each other. My family likes to eat dinner together. Weekend, W-E-A-K-E-N-D, weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. We do fun things on the weekend. Dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Dinner is the main meal of the day, usually in the evening. We have dinner at 7 p.m. Visit, V-I-S-I-T, visit. To visit means to go and see a person or a place. I visit my grandparents on the weekend. Okay, that is a long list of words. Don't worry, we will practice them now. Let's start by talking about my family, my immediate family. My family is not very big, but it is not very small. I have my parents, a brother, and a sister. Let's talk about my parents first, my mother and my father. My mother's name is Mary. She is very kind. She is always thinking about other people. She loves to cook. Every evening she makes dinner for our family. Her food is delicious. I love my mother's cooking. She is also very smart. She helps me with my homework. She is a wonderful mother. Now, let me describe my father. My father's name is James. He is a very funny man. He makes me laugh all the time. He tells jokes at the dinner table. We all laugh together. My father is also very tall. I'm not tall, and my mother is not tall, but my father is tall. He works hard for our family. In the evening, he likes to watch television with my mother. They are very happy together. I love my parents. They are the most important people in my life. Now, I have a friend here with me today. His name is John. Hello, John.
Hello, Sarah. It's great to be here.
Hello, John. Welcome to the podcast. We are talking about family today. Can you tell us about your family?
Of course, Sarah. I would love to talk about my family. My family is a little smaller than your family. It's just my parents and me.
Oh, so you are an only child. You don't have a brother or a sister?
That's right. I don't have a brother and I don't have a sister. Just my mother and my father.
That is interesting. Can you describe your parents for us? Let's start with your father.
My father's name is Robert. He is a very quiet and kind man. He is not tall and he is not short. He is medium height. He loves to read. Our house is full of books. Every evening, he sits in his favorite chair and reads a book. He is very intelligent. I like to ask him questions about history and science. He always knows the answer.
He sounds like a wonderful father, a kind and smart man. What about your mother? What is she like?
My mother's name is Susan. She is the opposite of my father in some ways. She is not quiet. She is very talkative and energetic. She is very funny. She makes me and my father laugh all the time. She loves gardening. We have a beautiful garden behind our house because of her. She grows flowers and vegetables. She's also a fantastic cook, like your mother.
It sounds like you have lovely parents, a kind, quiet father, and a funny, energetic mother.
Yes, they are a great team. They love each other very much. They are very good parents.
What do you do together as a family? For example, on the weekend?
That's a great question. On the weekend, we spend a lot of time together. On Saturday, my mother works in her garden, and my father and I often help her. In the afternoon, we sometimes watch a movie together. My mother always makes popcorn.
That sounds so nice and relaxing.
It is. Then on Sunday, we often visit my grandparents. They live in a small town not far from our city.
Oh, you visit your grandparents. That's wonderful. We are going to talk more about grandparents later. Do you enjoy visiting them?
Yes, I love to visit them. It is the best part of my weekend. My grandmother is a great cook, and she always makes a big dinner for us. My grandfather tells amazing stories about his life.
It sounds like you have a very close and loving family, John.
Thank you, Sarah. Yes, I do. I love my parents very much, and I am happy to be here to talk about them.
Thank you for sharing, John. It is great to hear about your family. It is interesting how families can be different. My family is bigger, with a brother and a sister. Your family is smaller, but both families are full of love.
Exactly. The size of the family is not important. The love in the family is what is important.
That is a perfect thing to say. Thank you again, John.
You're welcome, Sarah.
Now, let's talk more about the other people in our families. We talked about parents, brothers, and sisters. Now let's talk about grandparents. As I said before, your grandparents are your mother's parents or your father's parents. I have two sets of grandparents, my father's parents and my mother's parents. First, I will describe my father's parents. My grandfather is named William. He is very old now, but he is still strong. He loves to walk in the park every morning. He is a very wise man. He gives me good advice. My grandmother is named Margaret. She is very sweet and kind. She knits sweaters for everyone in the family. I have a beautiful blue sweater that she made for me. I visit them every month. We drink tea and they tell me stories about when my father was a little boy. Now for my mother's parents. They live far away in another country, so I do not visit them often. My grandfather's name is George, and my grandmother's name is Helen. I talk to them on the computer every weekend. They are very funny. My grandfather, George, loves to sing. He is not a good singer, but he is very funny. My grandmother, Helen, loves to bake cookies. She always sends us a big box of cookies for my birthday. I love all my grandparents. They are a very special part of my family. Now, what about your aunts and uncles? An aunt is your mother's sister or your father's sister. An uncle is your mother's brother or your father's brother. I have one aunt and one uncle. My aunt's name is Laura. She is my mother's sister. She looks very much like my mother. She is a teacher. She is very kind and patient. She has two children. My uncle's name is David. He is my father's brother. He is very funny, just like my father. He is a doctor. He works at a big hospital. He is married to a wonderful woman named Claire. So Claire is my aunt too. She is my uncle's wife. So I have two aunts, Laura, my mother's sister, and Claire, my uncle's wife. And I have one uncle, David, my father's brother. Now let's talk about cousins. Your cousins are the children of your aunt or your uncle. My Aunt Laura has two children, a son named Peter and a daughter named Lucy. Peter and Lucy are my cousins. Peter is tall with black hair. He loves video games. Lucy is short with blonde hair. She loves to read. They are very nice. On the weekend, my family sometimes visit my Aunt Laura. I play with my cousins, Peter and Lucy. We have a lot of fun together. It is great to have cousins. They are like friends who are also family. So, let's review my extended family. I have grandparents, I have an aunt and an uncle, and I have cousins. My family is big when we are all together. For holidays, we all meet for a big dinner. It's a lot of people in one house. It's noisy, but it is so much fun. I love seeing all my family together.
All right, everyone. And that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. Wow, we learned so many words today. You did a fantastic job. Talking about family is a big part of life. Now you can use these words to describe your own family in English. You can say, I have one brother, or my mother is very kind, or I visit my grandparents on the weekend. Practice is very important. Try to use one new word every day. You can talk to a friend, or you can talk to yourself. The more you use these words, the better you will remember them. Thank you so much for listening to Learn English Podcast Pro. I hope you enjoyed our lesson about family. It is a topic I love to talk about. My family is very important to me, and I am sure your family is very important to you. Join me next time for another lesson. We will learn more words and practice our English together. Until then, have a wonderful week. Goodbye for now.